Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Maneater app not launching or won't launch problem on Android devices. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart or reboot your phone. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 2 is to check for Maneater app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Maneater and tap on it. And if you find any update available for this app, then update it, and then you can go ahead, launch the Maneater app and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch a Maneater app and check if your problem is fixed or not. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Maneater app is working or not. Fourth solution is to force stop Maneater app. So tap and hold the Maneater app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm, and then go back, launch the Maneater app and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to clear the cache of Maneater app. So again tap and hold Maneater app icon, then click on app info, then go to storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data, and make sure by clearing the data you will delete the app data including files and settings will be deleted permanently. So perform this action very carefully, and then you can go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Sixth solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then click on software update, and if there are any update available for your device, then update it, and then you can launch the Maneater app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Surfshark VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, Turbo VPN, Ninja VPN, Nord VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then select different location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Maneater app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall Maneater app. So tap and hold Maneater app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device once, and after device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Maneater, and then you can click on install button to reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the Maneater app and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix Maneater app not launching or won't launch problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.